See, next we discussing about the topic is combination of capacitors. Combination of capacitors. See, already with the before we discussing about the parallel plate capacitor and capacitor. What is the definition for the capacitor? The ratio of charge to potential. Charge to potential is called as the capacitor. Now here the combination. Combination means two or more capacitors. Two or more capacitor that connected to a system. Connected to a system, that is called the combination of capacitors. There are the mainly two combinations are there. The one is series combination of capacitor. Series combination of capacitor. The second one is there parallel combination of capacitor. Now the first we are discussing about the individual of this is the topic. Now the first we can discuss, this is one of the most important topic. It is given by the number of times in final exam. That is the series combination of capacitor. Series combination of capacitor. Now we can find out the effective capacitance of capacitor. See here, series combination. Series combination means, see, 1 by 1. See, the 1 by 1 is connected by there. It is called as the series combination. 1 by 1 means one after another, another one is connected by there. That is called as the series combination. Now here, the how many capacitors are connected with this? Let us now we are consider the 3 capacitors. How many capacitors are taken by here? The 3 capacitors. This is the 3 capacitors. The first capacitor having charge positive and negative is capacitance C. How much we consider? C1. And next capacitor is connected to the here. It will be also positive and negative charge. Is capacitance is C2. Is capacitance is C2. Is connected by the another capacitor. It will be also positive and negative charge. Is capacitance C. This is the first capacitor, and it have the second capacitor, and it have the third capacitor. Now observing here the in series combination, see each capacitor, how many plates are there? 2 plates. Each capacitor have the 2 plates. Now the second capacitor of first plate, is connected to the first capacitor of second plate. See what is that? The first capacitor of second plate is connected to the second capacitor of first plate. And now second capacitor of second plate is connected to the third capacitor of the first plate. Now is connected. And the finally the last capacitor means the third capacitor of the second plate. Is connected to the first capacitor of first plate. The between the connected by the battery of EMF, positive and negative terminals. Positive and negative terminals are connected by them. See, this is the battery of EMF. We consider the E. Now what is the first capacitor of the first plate and the third capacitor of the second plate is connected between by the battery. Now again here the potential difference are there. Now here the first capacitor of first plate is connected to the second capacitor of the first plate. See, that means it is the negative charge is converted into the positive charge. The negative charge is converted into the positive charge. Now here the potential difference are constrained by there. But charge is constant. The charge on the each capacitor is constant. See, what will be changed is the potential will be changed. The first capacitor due to its potential difference is V1. And second capacitor of the due to potential difference is there V2. And third capacitor due to potential difference is there V3. And this whole the 3 capacitor combination of the total potential difference we consider the V. How much we consider the V? See, let us consider, let us consider three capacitors C1, C2 and C3. What is taken by the other? Three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series. Across is a battery. Across a battery of potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference is V. How much of the potential difference is the battery is between the positive and negative is there? It's a V. In this combination, charge on the capacitor, charge on the capacitor will be same. Now observing for the C1 capacitor, C2 capacitor, C3 capacitor. Now the first plate it have the positive charge, here also positive charge, here also positive, and second plate also negative. That's why we can say in this combination the charge on the capacitor will be same, but potential of the battery, potential of the battery divided into V1, V2 and V3. V1, V2 and V3. Therefore potential difference across series combination. See the potential difference across a series combination. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. What is the total is the V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to the total potential difference. But we know that the each capacitor of the capacitance of the potential we can write. Therefore, the potential difference across capacitor C1 is V1. C1 is how much is there is a V1, and the similarly can do the potential difference across the capacitor C2 is V2, and the potential difference across the capacitor C3 is V3. We can write the formula here. V is equal to, what is the formula is there? The charge by capacitor. How much we can do the C1? Since capacitor of capacitance is equal to, what is the formula? Charge by potential. See, this formula we can apply here. We can write the potential is equal to, take the cross multiplication. The potential is taken this side and the capacitor is taken this side. The potential is equal to charge by capacitor. See, that is the potential difference across is the C1 is V1. That is equal to how much is it? Charge is, why are not the charge means the charge is the same. The charge on the capacitor will be same. That's why I take the Q. And similarly we can write the potential difference across capacitor C2 is, similarly the potential difference across is of C2 capacitor. C2 capacitor is how much is considered V2. How much is the potential? V2 is equal to how much is, you can write the charge by capacitor. Charge by capacitor how much is there? The C2. And the potential difference across capacitor C3 is, the C3 means this is the capacitor of C3 is, how much of the potential difference? V3 is equal to charge by capacitor. How much is there? The C3. Now the potential difference of V1 is equal to how much is there? Q by C1, and V2 is equal to Q by C2. V3 is equal to how much is there? Q by C3. Now these three values we can substitute in a above equation.